YouTube, what's the scene? It's your boy Chef back with another POV, and as you can see from the title and the thumbnail, today we are going to be installing intakes on my manual G87 M2. We finally getting rid of these stock boys. We got the intakes right here, all the piping, filters, everything you need here. I'm not gonna really be showing you how to do it. I'm mostly just gonna be showing y'all like before and after of it, because who the fuck wants to see how you do it, you know what I mean? So I'm just gonna show you before and after of it, how it sounds, all that good shit, you know, right? So yeah, so I already started taking off this, about to take off the frame, bolts, cover all that shit. Yeah, bro, pretty simple job. So we'll see how it go. That's why I pick up the camera. Alright, my boys, it's later in the day. I forgot to pick up the camera. I was a little busy, had work and stuff. But the intakes are in. These how they looking. I went with the blue. That's my blue brake calipers. But yeah, man, they look good. Yo, these shit sound amazing. I'll put the camera on my head, give y'all some sound clips and shit. Yeah, shots. Getting it done, boys. You getting it done. Alright, y'all. So I'm about to give y'all some sound clips of how the intake sound. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, these shit sound fire. Woo! Welcome to fucking BMW Airlines, yo. Hold on, let me see. Bro, that shit is wild. Sheesh! I should have been got these intakes in, boy. Shit sounds crazy. Second to first. Sheesh, bro, that shit is just sucking up all that fucking air and shit, buddy. But yeah, yo, these shit sound dumb good. Sheesh. Next, we getting the downpipe installed. That'll probably be the next video, some shit. But yeah, man, getting it done. We getting it done. Sheesh. Video.
I know you niggas have fun, nigga.
I don't know.
In Florida? Yeah.
Yeah, how's John, bro? He good?
Yeah, my son's 30.
That's good. That's good. I see how he took y'all on a little plane ride.
Oh yeah.
How was that?
That shit was 30.
Fun, nigga. I told him to do it, you know, to look at like
Should have told him to do a little spin.
Hello. He was doing a free fall and shit.
Yellow.
Yeah.
Free fall is crazy, Pebble.
Nah, we did a chef at work.
Yo, my boy, what's good?
What else?
Yo,
Long time no
headlights.
see.
Lights
It's
just
been a minute,
fell.
my
Yeah,
boy.
yeah,
Fuck it. Yeah, if it don't work, it don't work no more.
My fault, bro. My fault.
It's alright.
I got excited, bro.
You wildin', mud.
Nah, I'm not.
Yo, what the fuck? Some nigga got their Instagram page open and it's Brandon on that shit. I'm about to like it.
Instagram.
Nah, I don't.
I can't like it?
Nah, I like that shit, bro.
Word. And I'm about to comment
I
some
don't
shit.
know who the fuck. Don't say much.
I'm about to comment some shit. Starbuy.
Yo, what?
That's some shit.
Oh, them niggas went to a wedding.
So there's wiring in there?
Yes, there's wire in here.
Just
Use
gotta
up.
make sure. Just gotta make sure for me.
Yeah, boy, there's
So,
wire
like-
in here. We just gotta wrap that around that.
Don't fuck it up, you heard?
Yeah, I wish we just had more wire though. That's the thing. And maybe some tape.
Nigga Danny was fucking
got
playing with
electric
the
tape?
boomerangs, nigga.
You got electric tape,
I
mud?
don't, I ain't gonna lie.
You fake asking niggas for crazy shit. I ain't gonna lie. though.
Electric tape is
yeah,
crazy
that's
shit?
fake nutty because you don't have it. So what are you talking about?
Nigga talking about.
I'm pretty sure I have
Who-
it somewhere.
he has it in that mess that's
There's
in there.
electric tape somewhere in this car,
Like
bro.
who really walk
So
around?
start
carrying
looking.
shit
What are
like
you
that?
doing?
Only
Bro? You'll be
electrician.
holding the camera
Nah,
and
let
shit.
him
Not
hold the
even,
camera.
Show them
nigga.
how you
Little
know how to look
concept,
for electrical tape.
Not even. Them niggas don't even carry that shit.
I don't think nobody carrying that shit. It's just straight hand.
Don't botch it, mud.
What the fuck?
We get
Yo,
into
why
it,
this
mud.
nigga boomerang fake mad long, nigga? My shit don't even beat on
Is that what she said?
that. Nah, like, nah. His his boomerang, nigga, like that shit fake letting me record it just now from mad
Where the
long,
green
nigga.
cutting pliers I had?
Put it to the right somewhere.
Nah, never. Never.
This nigga needs some power fluid. That's a regular Honda shit.
Yo, that light should die though.
Come on,
I
man.
got it here.
Nigga,
Wait, so where's the plus?
some light skin shit nigga got Jared licking his lips.
Come on, bro. What are you talking about? How y'all day been, man?
Good. How about you? I'm gonna save it.
It's dirty, my dirty. Yo, that shit is not bad.
That shit actually.
This shit that
automatically
stays?
Yeah, it stays by itself.
Nigga, this light's gonna die, bro.
Something to work faster than that's what that means.
That shit's already dead.
Nigga, that shit's on the way out. I almost stuck myself. Bro, I was gonna put my intakes on tonight.
Let's do that.
Yeah, word. Let's do that right now.
Right now. Don't worry, I'm a mechanic. I'm not a part changer.
If you
I'm a
call
mechanic.
fucked up, don't panic. Yo, I forgot how that shit go.
Look at these hands, I could do mechanic. Some shit like that.
That ass.
With these hands, I
High beams, bro.
Yo, Pepper the Hood missed you, man. I ain't gonna lie.
Yo, neutral drop that shit.
That nigga live down the block, bro.
Yo, who's out there on left foot bossing shots, nigga?
Nigga aggressively downshifting.
Nigga.
He's aggressively downshifting.
For
Nah,
real.
that
This
ass.
guy's from Howard Beach.
He's wildin'.
Tripping off a yacht, my boy.
Think he's dead fucking.
You gotta come now. What
It's
goes to
cheaper
what,
now.
bro?
Nigga, everything out there is expensive.
Red goes
It's
to red.
expensive?
So what you
Black
pay
goes
out
to
here
white.
for anything is 3 times.
Don't fuck it up.
I don't think it's gonna work, man. I ain't gonna lie.
Everything's not gonna work.
The wiring's fucking dog shit, boy. There's not enough wire in that shit, boy.
Bro, you can do it, my nigga.
We gonna figure it out,
The
though.
part where we were staying,
You just told me to what?
Put some gloves on.
Nah, it's not about the gloves, boy. And then got that camera dumb in my face, boy.
What it's about.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Bro.
It's about family.
Bro.
Put us right back.
Bro, it's just Ebro work,
All
bro.
that shit is expensive.
Yo, Jeffrey, we have to Ebro.
Yo, we out.
Yo, I was
That
with
ass?
Alvin and
You
them the
dead
other
ass
day.
wanna go?
I'm going.
He about to go. Alvin about to go.
I was with Alvin and DeAndre and them the other day because they was all chilling on Brandon Block. And I was riding my bike with Justin. Nigga said, yo, they said you was whack.
You bugging. Man.
Let's just throw that out there. They said you was whack.
Niggas
They
not
said-
catching no word.
Nigga, I
I let Alvin ride the bike. Alvin was worming.
Exactly, bro. He worming,
Alvin
nigga.
said he still got his bike though.
He do that pink shit.
Whoa, shout out Alvin, man. And then I let DeAndre ride it. DeAndre was worming.
Niggas is worms, bro. How they gonna say I'm whack?
Well, they worms now, nigga. This is so bad.
Bro,
This is
make sure
actually
that shit is
so
like
bad.
really in there good, bro.
Nah, this is bad. This is like niggery shit. Like, we need to get some proper shit and really do this. But you could try it now though. But it's definitely not gonna think.
What you mean?
Nah, it's gonna turn on, but like,
What are you talking about, bro?
This is
You hear
shit.
this guy? What the fuck is he talking
this is
about?
not proper work, bro.
This is what I mean. Parts changer or mechanic?
Never, bro.
You feel me?
Technician.
He's
Do
not
your
sure,
homework.
so he
Technician.
can't guarantee his
I didn't
work.
change any parts.
He's
What are you
bots.
talking about? I didn't change any parts, nigga.
He's a
Say
bots
me, bro.
changer.
Never, bro. Technician, bro. Do your homework, bro. Yo, turn this shit on, man.
I gotta turn the whole car on and reverse.
Oh,
Yo,
fuck,
you
this
just
shit
ripped the
came
whole shit
out.
off, my nigga. Yo, fuck is wrong with this nigga, bro? You moving too sudden, bro.
What did I just say?
Sudden movements.
Hire a good guy, bro.
Hired a what? Gas
Should I put it on the
station?
bottom
They
one or
probably
the
have
top
a
one?
gas station.
I never seen that color.
Nah, put the one at the bottom
You
and
ever
put the
been to a
one.
gas
There's
station
one in the
where
corner
they
over
got
there.
all the lighters
Yeah,
out
it's
that you
like
can
in the
pick?
back.
So then,
Yeah, so put the one at the bottom and then put that one over there. It's
Probably
dirty.
even look, nigga. It's probably like in the back or some shit. Nah, this one was in the front, bro. You feel me? They gotta have two
Yo.
colors in one, you know?
Nighttime niggerations. Let me see what you doing in there, my boy. Really getting it in there.
I got you.
You're really getting a little in there.
Yo, bro.
Perhaps a little spit. What do you think about? What do you think about that, buddy?
Because I was trying to get.
Yeah, put the nut on.
I was trying to get the.
But we putting everything back without testing. That's my problem. You know what I mean?
Circle K.
Bro, we just gotta commit, bro.
Oh, my fault, bro.
It's all about commitment, nigga. Niggas never want to commit, and that's the problem nowadays.
Wait, hold on. You still gotta put this one in that?
We
Or
did
that's
that
the old
already.
one? Oh.
Yo, you hear this guy talking about committing?
Commit, nigga.
They don't commit to shit.
Commit, nigga. You're.
Call you the commish.
Oh fuck, yo,
You
you
want to be the
missing?
commissioner?
Oh fuck, you missing another one, Danny? Dang, what
Another
the
nut?
fuck?
What are you missing?
How many you had on the side?
What are you looking for?
Some
One
nuts.
right there?
It's late night niggerations, man.
Late night.
Late night.
Very nice.
Yo,
So the intake's going in? Let me get some light over here, man.
bro, I got you, big bro. Let me see what's going on
Check
here.
the oil real quick.
Yeah, boy. How we looking on that?
Oil looking good.
Oil looking good, bro. The ground looking dry, bro. check the tranny. Come back. I need to check tranny.
Tranny might be fucked down. That boy always leaking.
Me, wow. Oh, fuck.
Come on, bro.
Yo, what's a wax? You gotta have some, nigga, like, so smooth, nigga, and put in the Smith or just
That's my
out of
least.
fucking dab break type shit.
Okay. How we looking on that training fluid, boy?
Alright, we got some training fluid.
Hold on, wipe it down and put it in.
Nah, but it was sitting for mad long, nigga. That has to be the same point, nigga. And it's mad high too. That's more than what I'm supposed to have, but I'm leaking, so I gotta have more.
Well, you're supposed to check it when it's warm.
Well, nigga, that's when it's cold right now. So imagine when it's warm, nigga. That shit gonna be fucking. Nah, I'm not even gonna put it. It's in.
How we looking?
Nigga, we looking good.
We sturdy, we sturdy.
He's looking good, dog.
Okay.
My boy really checking them fluids, my boy. Watch this bitch not start.
Ready?
Oh god.
Ready for it?
I'm not.
Ready for it?
Bang! Motor blows on the spot, boy. Nah, my fault, big bro.
Start it, gang.
Let's start this shit up, buddy.
Bro, I never seen you do that in a day of my life. Bro.
He just doing anything now. He just doing anything.
Pack him up, bro. Pack him up.
Woo! First try this bitch start up. Turn them lights on, big dog. Okay, they look good. Yeah, boy. They look good. Yeah. Nah, they look good. They look good. Shit.
Signal's gonna be the siege. Yo, turn it. Oh!
Nah, they look good.
Now you can put it.
Body man Civic.
Just get like an extra towel. Try your hair. Like, you don't tap dry, you don't rub it. And you're gonna be sturdy.
4K, my boy.
Yo, you
My
can
fault,
look
Brody.
before
My fault, bro.